Bullish mirror convention cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 74 cents and $1.41 by 2030. Market examiners accept mirror could reach 57 cents by 2025. Bearish mirror convention market cost expectation for 2023 is 13 cents. Reflect convention acquaintance whenever it accompanies fighting open door imbalance in the monetary space. Mirror convention is an imaginative and possibly progressive undertaking that could open a universe of chance. Assuming you're keen on finding out about the cost of mirror convention, look no further. In this video, we have summed up our nitty-gritty mirror convention cost forecasts from mirror convention value today to least cost, normal cost, most extreme cost, normal exchanging cost, market cap, current cost, and then some. We likewise answer a definitive inquiry: is mirror convention a wise speculation for what's to come? How about we find out? What is mirror convention? Reflect convention is a local area-driven, decentralized blockchain convention worked by Terraform Labs. The task was made with the expect to give more current ways of getting to fund and exchanging choices and tackle the developing disparity issue, the cryptographic money market. The convention empowers the making of manufactured resources that can follow the cost of genuine crypto coins. The convention engages merchants to exchange values in a place, whenever, every minute of every day. It can do this by printing manufactured resources, likewise called mirror resources or M-assets. These resources are controlled by brilliant agreements and run on the land organization. The resources are intended to reflect the value conduct of the basic certifiable resources they address, permitting merchants to get boundless cost openness. The M-assets carry a plenty of benefits to the mirror convention organization. They wipe out the requirement for delegate techniques and give worldwide availability to anybody who wishes to exchange. Regardless of whether merchants own the basic resource, mirror assists them with taking part in cost hypothesis or direct speculation with next to no limitation. The mirror token. The local badge of the mirror convention stage is called mirror. It is the administration token and is additionally used to remunerate liquidity suppliers and for marking. The token was intended to be genuinely conveyed. Significance: there have never been any financial backer or pre-deal mirror coins. Mirror tokens are compensated to financial backers who assist with keeping up with the steadiness of land and are gotten from exchanging expenses and the cash paid for making surveys or shutting positions on M-assets. There is a most extreme inventory of 370,575,000 mirror tokens delivered north of 4 years. How does mirror coin respond? The mirror coin has two essential highlights, with convention administration being a significant one. The tokens assume a fundamental part in the framework and can be utilized to make spending recommendations against the on-chain local area pool and furthermore to modify boundaries like position free and exchanging expense rate. One more capability of the token is to catch CDP terminations. Whenever a mirror CDP is shut, an expense of 1.5% is taken, which is then used to purchase mirror tokens and paid to people marking mirror. Reflect convention current cost. Reflect convention is right now worth 14 cents USD. Mirror has moved 2.28% as of now with an exchanging volume of $8,480,641. Reflect convention is right now positioned 732 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $12,876,850 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for mirror convention to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant mirror convention market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Reflect convention value forecast 2023 mirror convention, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The mirror cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 21 cents. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 20 cents in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. Mirror is supposed to have a base worth of 17 cents. Reflect convention value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Mirror convention mirror cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of mirror will before long outperform 36 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the mirror's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, mirror will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 29 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 32 cents. Reflect convention value forecast 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 51 cents and Mir might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Mir is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 46 cents and a low of 43 cents in 2025. Reflect convention value expectation 2026. Assuming Mirror convention effectively helps market opinion among digital currency devotees, the Mir coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Mir will be green in 2026. The Mir is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 65 cents, with a base cost of 58 cents and a typical cost of 61 cents. Reflect convention value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Mir cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 76 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 73 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Mir has a most extreme value worth of 80 cents. Reflect convention value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 90 cents. In the event that Mir figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 95 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help Mir needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 87 cents. Reflect convention value forecast 2029. While Mir is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to Rush Association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $1.02 and a yearly cost close above $1.10 in 2029. Reflect convention value expectation 2030. By 2030, Mirror convention will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $1.17 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $1.24, averaging out at $1.20. Reflect convention value expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas, and, by and large, Mirror convention is an exploring stage, opening up new open doors for its clients while likewise tending to the key disparity issue in monetary open doors. The stage permits people in less mechanically evolved locales to access and benefit off monetary resources that have for quite some time been restricted to a special minority. Generally, the stage is a creative and genuinely necessary task, filling a few significant holes in the crypto scene. Nonetheless, it is vital to recall that the stage has specific limitations. While financial backers can claim the reproduction of an engineered resource, they can't hold investor privileges and don't have responsibility for basic resource. The cost of Mirror convention is likewise dependent upon many changes and open to the instability of the crypto market. This video isn't planned to be venture exhortation. Keep in mind, all crypto ventures convey chance, and you should contact an outsider monitor